What's good, everybody? Today we're here to talk about grant money for homeowners. So those of you that actually own a home, this is going to be for you. It's up to $80,000 worth of funds that an individual can get towards different costs associated with your home. And this is for people statewide, well, not statewide, nationwide. So it's covered in a whole bunch of different states. This is because of federal funds that have been allocated to each individual state, but we're going to talk about that in just a minute. So you want to start or grow your credit repair company. That's great. It's one of the best ways to help people reach new financial heights they thought they couldn't reach while making more money than you make at your 9-to-5. But let me ask you a few questions. Is your customer intake process easy and seamless for customers and you? What's your plan to stay compliant with CROA laws in your state and others if you plan to do business in other states? Do you have a dispute process that's so easy you don't even have to think twice about what to do for any account in any round for a client? Also, how do you plan to accept credit cards since you can't use PayPal, Stripe, and Square in the credit repair industry? If you need help finding the solutions to answer these questions, I got you. I'm now taking enrollees into my credit repair business coaching program that starts the week of May 31st. Check out the link below if you want more details and to enroll, but hurry. Early bird pricing ends May 8 at midnight and the price will increase every week from there. I look forward to helping you grow your business without making the mistakes I had to learn years ago. What's good, everybody? Will Frazier here, your credit and business expert. And today we are talking about grants for homeowners. And I'm also going to give you another way that you can save money on your home expenses as well. So make sure you stick around to hear that information too. If you'd like to hear information like this, make sure you hit the thumbs up to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime I put out new videos just like this one. Now, let's get into the information. So what we're talking about here is the Homeowner Assistance Fund, which is by state basically. So the states have kind of, distributed this out to the counties as well. So basically it's different funds that you can apply for. They all come from the federal fund, which was put out there to help with COVID relief, but it's still possible for you to get access to these funds even today until they run out of money is basically how that works. And as far as the pot of money, it's about $10 billion worth of funds that have been attributed to this specific area. So it is, a good bit of money out there, but of course you don't want to wait and hesitate. You want to try and apply and get any of this money that you can possibly get to help you with your home expenses, or if you possibly fell behind on your home payment. So in order to find out how to actually get this, you would go to this website right here, which I will put a link down in the description for you, and you can go and pick your state. So basically you can see all the states here. You can click on the state that you want to check out to see what they have available, and then you can see what their qualifications are. Now, keep in mind that each state might have a different amount as far as the maximum that you can get, but the highest maximum is $80,000. But of course, you do have to see what your state is going to say is available to you. There are certain income limits as well that is going to be specific to your state, but that's why you have to go to your specific state to see what it is that they cover. But don't worry, when I mention to you the other way that you can save money, that actually won't have income requirements and stuff like that. So again, stick around and hear that information. But basically, again, you want to come here, you want to find your state, and you want to click on it and see what is available in the state. So if we go and check out Texas, we can see that in Texas, they have the Texas Homeowner Assistance Fund is what they call it. And you can see, the qualifications here. It can cover mortgage loans, property taxes, property insurance, or HOA condo association fees. Now, your household income has to be at or below 100% of the area median income. And with some of the other states, they just straight up tell you the amount that you need. But for Texas, you would have to look that up. And it looks like you can click this to find that out. But to qualify, you have to have experienced a qualified financial hardship after January 21st, 2020. So such as a loss of income or increased expenses due to the pandemic. So if you meet the income requirement and something happened to mess with your finances after January of 2020, then you can qualify to use this for, again, mortgage loan payments, property taxes, property insurance, all of that. So they do give you a vast covering of things that it can help you with You just have to meet the qualifications for your state. Let's go ahead and take a look at what they said about New Jersey. New Jersey, you can get up to $35,000 per household for expenses that may include mortgage reinstatement, escrow shortages, delinquent property taxes, municipal or property tax liens, mortgage payments, including principal, interest, taxes, and homeowners insurance. Now, for them, they do say that you have to have been current on your mortgage or property taxes as of January 2020. So that is an extra stipulation that they have in New Jersey. But again, I was saying they have different requirements per state. Over here, we have North Carolina. Am I eligible? Are you a primary resident in North Carolina? So you do have to be a primary resident with all of these, pretty much whatever state you're in. Have you experienced a pandemic-related financial hardship after January 21, after January 21st, 2020, including a hardship that began before that as well? So with New Jersey, you have to have been current by that date. With North Carolina, it's okay if you were not current before that date, based on what they're saying here. And they're saying as far as income limits, 90,000 or lower is probably what they want, but you might still qualify if you are a little bit over 90,000 depending on the situation. And you may be eligible to get up to 40,000 in North Carolina. So again, it's different for every state, but what you want to do is you want to make sure that you come here to try to see, what's going on in your particular state. Now, if you aren't a homeowner, of course, you can send this to somebody that that might be a homeowner so that they could probably try to take advantage of this opportunity to get some grant money that they don't have to pay back to get current on their home, their property taxes. Any homeowner that may have had some issues to come up after the pandemic started, this would greatly benefit them. So make sure you do share this video with them if you know somebody that could qualify for this. So look, if you want to save money and lower your energy bill so that it doesn't go up for years and years to come, while your neighbors see rising energy costs with annual increases, then this is what you should do. I have a partner named EnergyPal, and they can make a custom designed solar panel system for your home that won't cost you anything up front. As a matter of fact, you'll get an exclusive $500 gift card once your installation is complete, just from being a Credit Elect viewer and clicking on the link that I'm going to put down in the description of this video. Now again, they're called EnergyPal, and after you complete the form, you'll talk to them. They'll get a needs analysis on you, see what you need, and then come up with a solution for you. And then once everything is installed, you'll get $500 and you'll be able to save money on energy costs moving forward. So again, check them out down in the description. Now hopefully this video was useful to you and you do actually qualify for some of these free funds in your state. And if not, you still have a way to save money, at least on your power bill, if you're trying to bring more money into your home or just cut down on costs. If you did like this information, make sure you do hit the thumbs up to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video just like this one. I thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.